listen to me very carefully. Do not go to Proxima Centauri B.
Please, Miss Dallas.
It's Mrs.
Pardon me, Mrs. Dallas. Debating this matter is not the purpose of this council. Decades of research have led us to believe that Proxima Centauri B is our best chance at finding a new home, even though it's not currently habitable. Dr. Carlyle has been making great strides in the field of genetics. He claims that he can alter the human DNA, that we may adapt to any world that we find.
And your solution is to what? Take your chances playing around with genetics, hoping that you don't destroy us in the process? That is a gross misuse of power. We are not gods.
Miss Dallas.
It's Mrs.
Pardon. Mrs. Dallas. Genetic manipulation isn't something that we just stumbled upon. It's been developed for the last 2 centuries and is nearly an exact science at this point. It's a real solution to a real problem. It's nothing like your theoretical physics, your wormholes. The multiverse is not science.
I don't know how many times I have to tell you the genetic systems were never meant to be used this way.
We fully understand the ramifications, Elena. But the Council and I agree.
So that's it then. Just like that, you're pushing me out.
It would seem that your interests are no longer aligned with this Council. I move for a vote of no confidence.
How dare you?
All those in favor say aye.
I created this company.
It's nothing personal, Elena. I
want to believe that we could just snap our fingers, travel to any world that we want. But Dr. Reeves is right.
No.
Proxima Centauri B is the best way to go.
No, Carl.
I'm sorry, kid.
Carl, please.
Even though I think Dr. Reeves is insane, I think we should stick to what we know on this one. I'm sorry, honey.
I think you're the most brilliant young woman I've ever met. Everything you've achieved, everything you've built, it's no small feat. Given the tragic loss of your daughter.
Say her name.
What is it?
I said say her name.
We all mourn for the loss of Claire. She was an inspiration to all of us. I believe your judgment might be clouded by this. For that reason, I say aye.
That settles it. Elena Marie Dallas, you are hereby stripped of your rank as commander. You are ordered to step down from your position as CEO of Alpha. And you will not see the new world.
You know what her last words were to me before she died? She told me she would see me again someday. Because in an infinite universe, anything that could be imagined might somewhere exist.
That is the end of the transmission.
S?
Yes, Commander.
What's the date on this recording?
August 10th, 2250.
That's a month before the colony left Earth.
Correct.
And how old are these ruins?
Carbon dating analysis indicates this facility is nearly 20,000 years old.
I need to speak with the Council.
I don't know about this, Claire. How do you know you can trust the Council?
I I don't,
Approaching colony vessel.
but I need answers. And I need you to be ready, in case things go south.
I'm here if you need me, kiddo.
Countless things about this holorecord are troubling, to say the least.
Yes, that's why I'm here.
It's mind-bogglingly fascinating. Where did you say you found this?
In the Andari region, there's a temple city forbidden to outsiders. I found a guide to sneak me in where I met up with my team outside the cave entrance. Below the surface, there's a genetics facility, where we found hundreds of colonists in hypersleep.
Were there any survivors?
When we arrived, they woke up. But they were no longer the people they used to be.
You slaughtered them.
Down there, we found this.
Did it not occur to you that I might have been able to find a cure for those people?
We did what we had to survive.
You are a liability.
All right, Dr. Reeves. That's enough. This doppelganger of yours makes you just as much a liability